Want to buy crypto directly from people? No banks, no middlemen? In today's video, I'll show you how Binance P2P works, how to use it safely, and why it's one of the most powerful tools for peer-to-peer crypto trading. Let's dive in. Binance P2P, or peer-to-peer trading, is a platform where users can buy or sell cryptocurrencies directly with one another, kind of like a crypto version of eBay. Binance acts as an escrow to make sure both the buyer and seller are protected during the transaction. Best part? Zero trading fees on Binance P2P. Here's a quick breakdown of how it works. Step 1. A seller lists a crypto offer, like USDT, BTC, ETH, at their chosen price. Step 2. A buyer selects the offer and agrees to pay via the available payment method, bank transfer, mobile wallet, etc. Step 3. Binance locks the seller's crypto in escrow. Step 4. The buyer makes payment. Step 5. The seller confirms they received it, and Binance releases the crypto. It's safe, simple, and supports 300+ payment methods globally. Now let's go through how to buy crypto using Binance P2P. Screen recording demo. Step 1. Log in and go to Trade P2P. Step 2. Select the crypto you want to buy, like USDT. Step 3. Use the filters to choose your preferred payment method and currency. Step 4. Click Buy, enter the amount, and hit Place Order. Step 5. Transfer the money to the seller's bank or wallet as instructed. Step 6. Hit Transferred, notify seller. Step 7. Wait for the seller to release the crypto. Done. Host tip. Never click Transferred if you haven't sent the payment. This could lead to penalties. Now, let's reverse it. How to sell your crypto. Step 1. On the P2P tab, click Sell. Step 2. Choose the crypto you want to sell and filter buyers. Step 3. Click Sell, enter your amount. Step 4. Wait for the buyer to pay. Step 5. Once you confirm payment is received, click Release Crypto. Host note. Only release your crypto after you see the money in your bank. Never trust screenshots. Even though Binance has protections in place, you should always follow these P2P safety tips. Only trade with verified users, check badges and number of trades. Never release crypto before confirming payment. Avoid buyers who rush or pressure you. Use in-app chat for all communication. Report suspicious behavior immediately. Remember, if it feels off, it probably is. Let's quickly run through the pros and cons. Pros: no fees, many payment options, trade globally, escrow protection from Binance. Cons: risk of scams if careless, slower than spot trading, manual steps required. But overall, it's a fantastic tool for fiat to crypto on-ramping. Binance P2P gives you the freedom to trade crypto your way, securely and globally. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly crypto guides. On-screen text. Drop your questions below. We reply to every comment. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.